So we are moving on. We are moving on to part E. It says use the graph to estimate the roots of the equation. Now the roots now is where the graph touches the x-axis. So please note the difference between the roots and the y-intercept. The y-intercept is where the graph touches the y-axis. The roots are where the graph touches the x-axis. So let's take a note of that. That's part E. The roots. Okay, once we hear roots, think of x-axis. The roots are the points where the graph touches x. Okay, always take that in mind. Okay. This is where y is equal to 0 now. So that's where y is equal to 0. So one way of doing that is going to the graph and look to see where the graph touches the x-axis. So you have one root right there. Or you want to read from left to right. So we have root 1. Look, root 1 right there. That's at -3. That's when x is equal to -3. Bear in mind y is equal to 0. X equals -3 right there. And you go to another one right there where x, let's call that root 2, where x is equal to 2. All right. So you have -3, 0 and 2, 1, in fact, yeah, sorry, where x is equal to 1, not 2, 1. There it is, 1. Look to right there. So x is equal to -3, x is equal to 1. The y coordinate is 0. So the whole point is -3, 0 and 1, 0. -3, that's x, 0, y 0, and 1, 0. So here they are, -3, 0 and 1, 0, root 1 and root 2.